Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. My name is Kamaldeep. So in today's lecture, we're gonna discuss the book list for IBPS 2020. I'm gonna give you some name of books which are very useful for the IBPS exams, or you can say for any bank exam actually. Okay. So first of all, we'll discuss the books regarding quantitative aptitude. Okay, so there are multiple books available in the market, but your best book for your quantitative aptitude, or if you want to clear your basic concept, so the best book is this one, Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Exam by R.S. Agarwal, the new edition actually. If you purchase this book, you're gonna clear your all concept for IBPS PO and IBPS clerical level. Okay, you can also go for this, the Pearson Guide to Quantitative Aptitude by Dinesh Khattar. This one for your mains examination, Arun Sharma, data interpretation, and your quantitative aptitude, both are very important for your mains examination. You can also prefer Sarvesh Verma, the Quantum Cat for your mains examination by Sarvesh Verma. So this one is also very important book for your mains examination for PO level exam. Okay, this Tarun Goyal is also good for your preliminary exam for your basic concepts. Okay, so I have already told you, if you want to clear your basic concepts, just go to this R.S. Agarwal. This is best book to clear your basic concepts. Then after pre-exam, your basic concept are clear, you can go for this data interpretation by Arun Sharma, or for mains examination there is another book of Arun Sharma, that is Quantitative Aptitude. Okay, you can also prefer this Quantum Cat for mains examination by Sarvesh Verma. Okay, these books will clear your all doubts regarding your mains examination. Done. So these were the books regarding quantitative aptitude for any bank exam. Now move to the reasoning books. Okay, even though this subject is combined with computer aptitude in mains examination, it should be prepared separately, because in the preliminary examination your reasoning section is separated. Okay, so in mains also it's combined with computer aptitude, but from last 2-3 years there are no such questions of these computer aptitude actually. So that's why we're gonna prepare for this section separately. So what are the books? So there's this R.S. Agarwal book, Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Okay, and you can also follow this, A New Approach to Reasoning by B.S. Sijwali and Indu Sijwali, or your Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey. So any one of these books are very important. I'll preferably go with this R.S. Agarwal. This book has more number of questions for your practice actually. You can also prefer many internet sources. Okay, so you can go to the internet and search the topics for which you want to prepare. Okay, so there will be a multiple PDFs there. You can also prepare from those PDFs. Okay, so now move to the next one, your English book. There, though no books apart from traditional IBPS guides seem relevant to PO exam at first glance, almost all the concepts covered in both stages of examination are from these books. Okay, first is High School Grammar and Composition by Rand and Martin. You can also follow this book. Reading this book will also improve the knowledge level and proficiency in English language. This book is also relevant for English descriptive test in IBPS PO officer mains exam. Okay, so you can prefer this book, High School English Grammar and Composition by Wren and Martin. This one is very important book actually. How to Read Better and Faster. This is Norman Lewis. This is written by the Norman Lewis. Okay, so you can prefer this book also. The Reading Comprehension and Ordering of Sentences, Ordering of Words and Close Test by Dilip Kushwaha. So you can also prefer this book, but most probably I'm going with this, Wren and Martin, Norman Lewis. There is one more book, S.P. Bakshi, if you want to clear your basic concepts. Okay, so these were the basic books, and along with this you have to read newspaper daily. Newspaper reading is must. If you want to improve your reading skills, your English, you have to read newspaper daily. This will also beneficial in current affairs also. Okay, so you can choose any newspaper. It could be a Hindu, it could be an Indian Express, okay, or Times of India. So all these papers are very good. Now this one is very important topic: general awareness and economy and banking awareness. Okay, so this is a vast topic actually. This subject had comparatively large coverage, so I have already told you this. For this reason, preparation should be done through newspapers, actually, weekly current affair magazine and books. Okay, so just focus on this: newspapers, weekly current affair magazine and books. You can also watch live sessions at Entry app also regarding this. The question on current affairs are mostly asked from events within 3-4 months prior to examination. So you have to prepare at least 3 to 4 months current affairs for an exam. Okay, you can extend this 3 4 months to 6 months actually. So if you prepare previous 6 months current affairs for an examination, those are sufficient. For banking awareness, you can also follow this BK Raut and SR Behra. Okay, or you can search online. Okay, on online platform you will also got this banking awareness. Now this Pratyogita Darpan, this one is here for current affairs session or general awareness, you can say. Okay, if monthly this comes in monthly edition, so purchase just 6 monthly edition for previous 6 magazines, and those will be sufficient for your current affairs actually. Apart from these books, I have already told you the Hindu and the Indian Express are good source of information on latest developments. The focus should be on the business and world news section of these newspapers. So in the newspaper section, you have to focus on this, the business and world news. One more thing, you can also go for the sports news, because there is certain question of this sports relating to sports in your exams. Another portion can be your political, what are latest laws. Okay, so that can be also read in that can be also follow in these newspapers. So I have already told you regarding quantitative aptitude, your reasoning, English, and general awareness. So these were the four main subjects for your banking examination. In last 2 to 3 years, there are no questions of computer aptitude, okay, which were combined with reasoning ability test in your mains examination. So for computer aptitude, you can follow the internet. Okay, just search the topics and you can get the related information regarding computer aptitude there. So this was the video regarding your books, which were the best book for your preparation. So these are the basic books you need to purchase, and you can start preparing from this. And along with this, you also can follow us at Entry app. We are providing you best possible material regarding your exam. Okay, so you can also follow us on Entry app. You can attempt this free daily quiz, live IPS RRB rank booster quiz, at 10 a.m. daily. In this quiz, there are 15 questions for 15 minutes. Link will be given in the description box. You can go to the description and click on that link to go to the Entry app. Okay, this one is free of cost. So if you like this video, please like it, comment on it. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, and share it as much as possible. So thank you very much. Bye bye.